Blockchain technology has emerged as a revolutionary force, reshaping the digital landscape and redefining trust. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records transactions across multiple computers, ensuring transparency and security. Each block in the chain contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp and transaction data, which collectively enhances the integrity of the information stored. As we delve deeper into blockchain's potential, we encounter its vast applications beyond cryptocurrencies. Industries such as supply chain management benefit from blockchain's ability to provide real-time visibility into transactional processes. For instance, companies can trace the journey of products from their origin to the consumer, ensuring authenticity and reducing instances of fraud. This real-time tracking builds trust among stakeholders and enhances operational efficiency. Moreover, blockchain technology fosters new business models by enabling smart contracts. These self-executing contracts are coded with terms that automatically enforce and execute conditions once met, minimizing the need for intermediaries. This innovation not only reduces costs but also accelerates transaction times, facilitating smoother business operations. Industries like real estate are already harnessing the power of smart contracts for seamless property transactions. In the financial sector, blockchain presents significant transformations by allowing peer-to-peer transactions without the need for traditional banks. This has opened up avenues for the unbanked population, giving them access to banking services through decentralized finance, DeFi applications. Such advancements promise financial inclusion and empower individuals across various socioeconomic backgrounds. However, the journey of blockchain technology is not without challenges. Issues such as scalability, energy consumption, and regulatory compliance pose significant hurdles. For instance, while blockchains like Bitcoin are secure, they consume vast amounts of energy, raising environmental concerns. Striking a balance between security, efficiency, and sustainability remains a priority for developers and regulators alike. In conclusion, blockchain technology is carving pathways to a decentralized future, emphasizing trust, transparency, and efficiency. Its potential to disrupt traditional systems is immense, yet it requires collaborative efforts to navigate the challenges ahead. As innovators continue to explore its capabilities, the world watches with great anticipation, waiting to see how blockchain will transform industries and everyday life.